I got something in the mail. We're gonna check it out. I haven't even opened it up yet. I think I know what it is. Hopefully it's all there. Let's see. Any guesses what it might be? Cambo, what do you think? Let's see. Let's see. What we have here. It's not cooperating. There we go. What do we have here? All right. Bit of a loud color, but here we go. Got some Suntour Aions. There we go, bright green. Won't look too bad with the frame. We'll see how it looks. I might end up painting them at some point, but we'll leave it as is for now. 150 mil travel, 34 mil stanchions. Nothing too crazy, but I got them on a wicked sale on Chain Reaction. Less than 200 bucks shipped, so you really just can't beat that. It's got the lockout, that's really all I need. And rebound down there at the bottom. So there we have it. It was actually, according to Chain Reaction, the description, it said it came with a mudguard, but that's all right. I can get a mudguard. I plan on getting one anyways. So yeah, there we have it. Got the forks in. Super excited. I got a headset. Got a buddy of mine. He's got a Chris King headset. I'm gonna buy off of him at a sweet deal. So we're moving right along.